Fix Windows 11/10 keeps freezing and lagging randomly. Steps 1. Health scan, SFC/Scano, then DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. 2. Storage. Check Smart, Crystal Disk Info. Free 20% space. Run thkdsk/scan. 3. Drivers, BIOS. Update chipset, GPU, storage. Apply BIOS firmware. 4. Startup apps, Task Manager. Startup, disable non-essentials. 5. Power and sleep, set, balanced, high performance. Disable USB selective suspend for peripherals. 6. Thermals, watch for throttling, clean dust, fix fan curves. 7. Background culprits, pause, OneDrive indexing AV scans during gaming, work. 8. Event viewer, check system for WHEA/driver errors. Address accordingly. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart fixes to common tech and gadget issues.